What's up everybody? I'm here at the Graphics Pro Expo in Long Beach, California, and I am super excited. It's day one, Thursday, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna see a whole lot of cool things. Now before we do, I gotta tell you, one of the things I absolutely love about coming to these trade shows is being able to see different print methods, different products, and even different adjacent things like blanks, for example. You get to actually feel and touch the t-shirts and the hoodies and all of that when you come to these trade shows. It's great because it allows you to kind of step out of your computer and into the real world to see, test, even smell some of these things in person. So we're gonna head on in, we're gonna talk to some of our partners, we're gonna talk to some of our suppliers, and we're just gonna see some cool stuff. Let's go. What's up guys, we are here at the Los Angeles Apparel booth. If you're looking for a brand that's gonna give you that really cool kind of streetwear, modern fit, those blanks that your customers are wanting, you gotta check out Los Angeles Apparel. I actually did an order not too long ago with this one, the 1825 GD. Now it has like I think this is it. It has like a mock neck collar on it, which the kids are really into. It's really kind of that loose, like boxy fit. Kind of showing you through their booth here. They have the full fleece section. As you come back here, you can see they have all like the different sweatpants. So, and then what's cool about if you're wanting to do like matching sets, you got to come out here so that way you can see how the pants, you know, are the pants like these really, oh, these are actually pretty sick. Totally taking you through his booth. You have this like kind of cool like drip camo pattern. And now you can hold it up to their different hoodies and be like, oh sweet, now you know how the set's gonna work. So really cool if you're into sets, if you're really into anything like that. Back here we have like some, I don't wanna say alternative blanks, but they actually have like pants, like twill pants. They got these super cool duffel. Actually, oh man, I love this duffel. Anyways, if you guys are still in town, GPX, you gotta check it out. It's running Thursday through Saturday. We're here day one, checking out the Los Angeles Apparel booth. Come out here, check out the booth, check out the different printers, the different vendors. It's really cool. I'm here with Carlos and he's gonna show us what he's doing here with the Jaguar.
Yep, let's go ahead and get started with the Jaguar 5 machine that we have here at the show. Alrighty, so we got the little cutting mat on there. As you can see, you know, the surface it doesn't look that smooth. That's because it has like a medium tack to it, so it is kind of sticky. So we do sell this kind of on our end. You would have to fill out an order form, but it's a pretty big size of cutting mat. So we're working with like a 0.05 millimeter magnet material right now. I think we're using 580 grams of force and like 3 speeds, so it's taking its time, but it gets the job done, so yeah. So our cutters can handle up to 0.08, so this is kind of pushing it.
That's actually really thick.
Yeah, really thick. So as you can see, we're taking this out here. We got the finished product right there.
And because that's a magnet, it's ready to go?
Yeah, pretty much.
So this is a pretty beefy machine. I mean, the Jaguar 5, can you just talk to us a little bit about the Jaguar 5?
Yeah, so pretty much the Jaguar 5 has been in the lineup since forever now. It's one of our most reliable machines. We've pretty much been compared to the Honda's vinyl cutters. So right now we're showing off our 24-inch model, but it goes all the way up to 72-inch. So I can go ahead and bring the spec sheet, but there's plenty of sizes in between. Like you have 40-inch, 52-inch, 60-inch, so it goes a long ways. And then also if you purchase a cutter as well, it comes with free software. So it has a very simplistic design.
What are you guys on now? Great Cut 4?
Pretty much Great Cut 5. It's called Great Cut S. So as you can see, it's very simplistic, very user-friendly, and I usually recommend this software to anybody starting out. So.
We are here at Graphics Pro Expo in Long Beach, and I'm here with my good friend Vincent from DTF Station. Vince, how you doing, man?
Hey, doing great, Jared. It's a pleasure to see you. Always great to run into you at these trade shows.
Yeah.
And, we're at the university today, which is very different from what we're used to doing.
This is really cool. So what are you doing here at GPX University?
You know, it's all about education here, and so anybody coming into the university is learning about DTF. We have our Prestige XL3 over here just showcasing, you know, what we can do and what we have to offer.
Nice. Now, I see you have the XL3, and I'm so glad this is set up because we get a lot of questions on our end, and I want to get the info from the pro, from the authority on DTF. All right, for people who are starting their own transfer printing business, so maybe they're not quite printing that many t-shirts, but they're actually selling the transfers, like why would they choose the XL3 versus like any other printer?
Yeah, so that's a great point. You know, like Jared had mentioned, actually, we have the R1 and the R2 Pro, which is for those people that are getting started, maybe they're printing for themselves. But the XL3 really is that jump when you want to be your own transfer business and you want to stand out. That's the biggest thing is the XL3 has 9 colors, it's RGBO, and so if you're doing jobs for schools and you need to hit that Pantone red, that Coca-Cola red, those vibrant blues, like even the transfers behind us we were talking about, I'll hold this up actually.
We were like shocked when we kind of walked in and saw like how bright and vivid and rich the colors are. Not to say anything bad about other printers, but it's when you get to see what the 9 color can do, it's like, oh, it's like a light kind of turns on in your head. Can you kind of walk us through the process for somebody who's never even seen a DTF printer? What are we looking at here?
Yeah, so let's start from the top actually. So let's start from the printer itself. So there's actually 2 pieces of equipment here. We have our printer, which is our XL3, and then we have our L24R, which is our shaker dryer. So what we're doing is we're printing a water-based ink on a film. This film then goes through to our powder station, which gets put an adhesive, which is this white powder right here. And from there, once it gets powdered, it's gonna go ahead and go through this oven system here. So print, powder, our oven, so it's cooking the adhesive. And basically you end up with a big, nice, full roll of transfers that you're ready to be heat pressed onto a t-shirt. You're ready to sell those transfers. And so, grab this here. Just an example of some of the transfers we're getting. I like to show this one because the green looks really nice, especially on a t-shirt.
Yeah, and for someone who's printed like probably thousands of things at this point, getting that green on DTF or pretty much any other print method, like it's very, very tough.
Yeah, and again, it's because this machine has the physical color green inside of it. We're able to hit that, but again, the XL3 is great for anybody that's trying to really hit those Pantones. Color matching is important, so that's the full system we have here.
Vince, thank you so much for taking time to talk to us today.
Appreciate it, Jared. Thank you.
See ya. Wow, that was incredible. It's barely day 1 and there was so much stuff to see here at Graphics Pro Expo in Long Beach. We're super excited to be here. Now, it's running tomorrow and Saturday, so if you're in the area Friday and Saturday, you gotta come by, check it out, say hi to everybody here, and who knows, maybe you'll walk away with a new love for printing. We'll see you around, everybody.